Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Mastermindz channel. Today we will teach you how to download Python to get started on this online course. First, go to python.org and click Download Python. Choose the latest Python 3 release. Then choose the operating system you use currently. For this demonstration, I will use Windows. Next, scroll down and download the Python installer. Once it is downloaded, open the file and run it. It takes a while, so you'll have to wait. Once it's done, click Close and search idle. Open it up and open a new file. Once it is open, you can create code. To run it, go to Running and click Run Module.
We hope you learned something from this video and thank you for watching.